Welcome, 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 Desert Disc Planning. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. And if you are returning, thank you for your support. And we are going to go ahead and start planning in my week number 4 in my health section with glitter paint. So we're just going to scoot on over there to week number 4. This is the extension packet, so of course it has extra sheets in it. So I need to make sure that those extra sheets are taken out, which is this. And this is week 4, 24 through the 30th of June. I am also participating, if you've been watching the videos, in an HP Stash Challenge over on Instagram. And it is called Rainbow Dreams. I'm going to leave that open. I don't know why I'm closing that. It's called Rainbow Dreams, is the book that the host is using, which is Creatively Lisa Marie. I do not have Rainbow Dreams. I don't even know if that's it. I don't have it. So I pulled this one because of the sticker right here that says Dream. So I'm really hoping I have it because I haven't opened this book. So it says Dream. We're going, there it is. So we're going to go for this, and it has all the colors. So I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and let's do this. Let's use this. So I'm going to take this one, and I'm just going to, I'm actually just going to plan the whole top part. So we have Dream. Let's see. Should we just keep it? All the greens. All the greens. I don't have a problem doing that. Like every time you flip, you just pick a green. I don't know about that one. Nope, that's gold and that's silver, so it won't be that one. I don't know about, look, we could use this because we can write in it. So is this gold? We're not using this one either. That's gold, yeah. So then let's throw this down. Let's just put that right there. This one says Love More, and it doesn't have gold in it. All right, that has silver. Stay true in the wild, free, wild and free. Looks like I've used some of the some of this one. I'm going to take Noted. And use it right there. Always Radiant Love. There. We'll put us a love up here. We got some stars that actually match. Looks like I've already used this green section before. Like the green and the pink. Looks like I've done it in another layout. And I don't know because it was like 3 years ago. So there's some silver. So let's throw down some silver stars. So there's that. This is gold, can't use that. We have some dust. Let's throw the dust down here at the bottom. That matches. Because I think what's going to happen is I'm just going to use my Sharpie down here at the bottom. Which I use a Sharpie anyways. Alright, so then I have this. That works. Ooh, and then I have it bigger. So I'll use these down here at the bottom. As long as you can still plan, then you are gravy. Just remember that. Point is being able to still plan. It still has to function for you. No matter what. Alright, so we have these, and these are in silver, so we will use them. Okay. I probably don't have any of these that we're looking at right here. Ooh, I got lucky. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. So we're going to put this one here. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Don't give it to me. Please don't. Oh, look, I still have these. And then I have these three. I'm going to pull up this. I can come all the way. Pull up that one. Noted. Noted. My todays are missing. So I've already gotten, I was very into using the this part of the kit, so that's fine. I'm just gonna throw this one down here and skip a square, and then I'm gonna put this one right underneath it. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, so moving forward, the green is gone. All right, see, I have this. Oh, it's gold. That's right. That's why I didn't use it. That's why I didn't use it. And then that's a different one. So just be kind. Let's do just a little bit more in there. All right, we're doing our last little flip. Okay, it's the weekend. Nope, that's a different color. All right. And I have this, the best. And then I'll put it over here too. And then mantra. I guess the whole thing. And then I'll do these to do. So to do. To do. And I have one more. Because I have a lot of noted on here. Like a lot. All right. Use those. Use those. Use that. Let's just use. We already have wild and free and stay true. Okay, we're not going to use it again. And then I have the, oh, that's gold. Oh, it's gonna, yeah, it's right there. All right. So we have this You Glow Girl. I have nowhere to put that. And that's in gold. And then we have love. So we have this one in love. All right, that's it. I use the bajillion out of this kit. All right, now let's date our dates. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right. All of this up. So here we have it. Let's go ahead and pull the planner back. You know what we didn't do? We didn't decorate the back page, which I don't, with this one, it's already pretty much, it just needs to have its complement your overall mood, your energy levels for each week, week 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to me, it's already decorated. Just say that. All right, so from the 24th through the 30th in June, we use glitter paint. This is the closest thing that it is use your stash. So if you don't have Rainbow Dreams and you have a sticker book and honestly, you don't use it a lot, pull it out and use it. It doesn't matter what layout, it doesn't matter what, just pull out some creativity and it'll happen. And then make sure that it's still functional so that you can get your task done and it's not just a decorated piece of paper that never gets utilized. I've done that. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to go check out the hashtag over on Instagram, it's hashtag HP Stash Challenge. You can also check me out, desert.disc.planning, or creatively Lisa Marie, who seems to be, she is actually the one that is hosting and created the hashtag for us to use. So I still have week 4 to do, and actually, if you're watching this video, then it is week 4, and you need to go over there to see how I set up my kids section, I believe, for summer. Summer is the sticker book, and I have a lot of holiday books that have summer in them, so I will be using a different summer layout, a different summer book for every layout. Sorry, I am scratching these because I like the glare and the bubbles to be gone. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.